steak time, steak time, steak time. You guys ready? Big, juicy head ribeye. So let's invite some people. Take your favorite potatoes. Just pop them in the oven. 200C, 400F. Depending on size, somewhere between 40 and 60 minutes. We just want the skin super crispy. Salt this bad boy. Don't be stingy. Let's make a red wine sauce. You need all of this stuff.
It all begins, okay? Olive oil, onions, and garlic. I'm convinced if anything were to happen to civilization, as long as we had olive oil, onions, and garlic, we could rebuild in like a month.
Just get everything brown. You really can mess this up. No stress. Super beginner friendly.
Kick-ass wine.
How poetic.
It's got a nice smell. Earthy, vibrant. You can taste the Italian's feet.
Bring it to a boil. Then turn down the heat and let it simmer for at least 20 minutes. Pro technique. Cut it once hard, cut it once hard, cut it once hard.
What do you call a mushroom that buys all the drinks? A fun guy to be with!
Leave the stem on, cut off 2 nice steaks. Leftover cauliflower? No problem. Meet Peanut, the cauliflower eating machine.
From the machine! This is a present for the machine.
So the prep is done. When peeps show up, make some drinks, serve a salad, go into the kitchen and finish it. Olive oil in, mushrooms first.
Salt and pepper!
You got it, John. Add more oil if needed. Beats in. In case you want to serve it family style in the pan, do this. On medium-high heat, start on the fatty cap side, render some of that fat, and then start cooking your steak. Try flipping it every 30 seconds. Don't baste your steak. Okay, it's such a waste of time. Just slap a good chunk of butter on it while it's resting. I would usually finish the potatoes in this beef fat, but then it wouldn't be vegan, so